First match, first semi-final match between Rocks 11 and 11 Lions. Rocks 11 won the toss and elected to bowl first. 11 Lions trophy presented by Amir Sohail in the ceremony of Dr. YMD Yaqub on the final on 18th Monday 2 p.m. अनवर रॉक्स 11 अनवर एक जना कंपल्सरी होना, एक जना 12th प्लेयर कंपल्सरी रहना है।
फोन कर दो नामा बोल। हाँ तू हाँ जा ना कोई मोहम्मद मोहम्मद
First semi-final match between 11 and elected to bowl first. Both team 12th players, please come to the stage. Both team 12th player, Raganna, Anna, Raganna. One player compulsory undalana.
कृष्णा भी योगेश के योगेश को मालूम हो किसको हाइट मेरे बंद करके चेक कर मैं बात कर ले नहीं ले मन आया था बे चेयर डाले उधर चेयर डाले बंद भाई कहीं का सुनता नहीं मामा हां हां बोल फिर कुछ नहीं जरूरत है बोला ही तो हां आजामू दुकान जा रहा है देख दुकान जा रहा है देख रहा हां लावड़ा देखना मंजूर हां हम इधर बैठ हां बैठ हां बोल शाम प्लग कार्ड वो प्लग कार्ड और स्कोर बोर्ड डाल ले स्कोर बोर्ड डाल ले वैसे थोड़ा डालना आंदे ले भाई मैं उठूंगा बोला ना कर हां तो हां फर्स्ट इनिंग्स डाल सेकंड इनिंग्स हां डन का बोला हां बोला आइस को बोला बॉलर
Wait, Emperor, wait, 1 minute. Bowler Nafis and the both batsmen from 11 Lions, Krishna Sharput and Yogesh Penkar. Krishna from Pune boy. Krishna shot put, the opening batsman from 11 Lions. The new bowler from Rocks 7, Nafis. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Let's play. Rocks 7 won the toss and elected to field first. Okay. Strike batsman Krishna shot put from Pune. First ball start by Nafis from Rocks 11. Good shot by Krishna, but there is a fielder. It's a dot ball. Nafis starts with a dot ball. Good bowling by Nafis. Once again, Krishna fetches to Nafis. A good shot by Krishna. It's a one bounce boundary. Superb shot. Such a great shot by Krishna shot put. It's a one bounce boundary. Once again, Krishna shot put on strike. Once again, good shot in the gap. It's chance to boundary. It's a boundary. Back to back 2 fours by Krishna. Super batting from Krishna. Back to back 2 boundaries. The big player from Pune. Good batting by Krishna. Once again, Krishna fetches to Nafis. Once again, good shot by Krishna. It's a boundary. Once again, it's a boundary. Back to back 3 boundaries by Krishna. Super batting from Krishna. Such a great shot by Krishna. Back to back 3 boundaries in 3 balls. Once again, good shot. Ball is in the air. There is a no fielder. It's a boundary. Super batting by Krishna. 4 balls, 4 boundaries. Good start. Excellent batting by Krishna. Last ball. The batsman trying for wicket. This time the ball is not connected. The batsman completely beat into the ball. Great bowling by Nafis. It's a dot ball and it's over. Good batting by Krishna. After completion of 1 over, score moves to 16 runs without loss. 11 runs. Begin over. Good start by Yogesh Penkar and the new batsman on strike, and the new bowler Ravi from Roxlaven Emiganur. Second over in progress. New bowler Ravi, Yogesh Penkar on strike. The big hitter from 11 Lions. Yogesh Penkar on strike. Good shot. Penkar starts with a. It's a boundary. Good start by Yogesh Penkar. Starts with the 4 runs.
सर दाने क्या उन्ना ना दाने क्या उन्ना व्हाट्सएप ऑफ दाने क्या उन्ना नेटवर्क कर साउंड आना ये आउटपुट बैठी बोर्ड में स्पीकर
Good start by Yogesh Penkar. In second over, he starts with a boundary. He looking very cool in his grease. Yogesh Penkar on strike. Once again, ball is in there. Good shot by Penkar. A good shot, and it's a boundary. Good batting by Yogesh Penkar. Good batting by Yogesh Penkar. Back to back 2 boundaries in second over. Krishna and Yogesh Penkar both are the Krishna and Yogesh Penkar. Once again, Yogesh Penkar on strike. Once again trying for big hit, but this time not connected. It's a dot ball. Good bowling by Ravi from Roxlaven. Once again, good shot. Ball is in the air. There's a fielder. Oh, it's missed off. It's chance to the fielder, but the fielder did not carry the ball. Penkar got a life. Now Krishna on strike. Krishna on strike. He already hit 4 boundaries in the last over. Now Krishna faces to Ravi. Krishna on strike. Once again, good ball by Ravi. It's a dot ball. Good bowling by Ravi. It's a dot ball. Once again, Krishna faces to Ravi. Once again, the batsman completely beaten to the ball. It's a dot ball and it's over. Good bowling by Ravi. 2 overs completed. After completion of 2 overs, score moves to 25 runs without loss. 11 Lions. 11 Lions trophy presented by Amir Sohail in the ceremony of Dr. YMD Yaqub, and the grand final on Monday 2 p.m. Good start by 11 Lions. After completion of 2 overs, score moves to 25 runs without loss. Power play is out. Chari stands. Tado. Nafis continues second over.
Score 25. Last ball 6 mara. 9.
Krishna on strike. Good shot by Krishna. Sorry, there's a fielder. It's a single run. 1 run. Good bowling by Nafis. Now Krishna strike. Krishna faces to Nafis. Good shot. Ball is in the air. There's a fielder. There's a fielder. Wait for umpire's call. Wait for umpire's call. Wait for umpire's call. Fielders. Wait for umpire call. Umpires out. It's out. Krishna's shot put is gone. Good bowling by Nafis. He got a wicket in his second over. Krishna's shot put is gone. Good bowling by Nafis. He got a big wicket. Krishna's shot put. Lost the first wicket. New batsman from Lowlands. New batsman.
Name. Bro, batsman name.
पटेल है ना
New batsman from Lowlands, Krishna Goli. New batsman from Lowlands, Krishna Goli. Krishna shot put gone. Krishna Goli in. Good bowling by Nafis. He got a big wicket. Lowlands lost the first wicket in the form of Krishna shot put. Yogesh Penkar on strike. Yogesh Penkar on strike. Trying for reverse sweep. Good shot. It's a boundary. It's a boundary. Good shot by Penkar. It's a reverse sweep and good connect the ball. It's 4 runs to Yogesh Penkar. Good batting by Yogesh Penkar. Once again, Yogesh Penkar faces to Nafis. Yogesh Penkar faces to Nafis. Once again, good shot by Yogesh Penkar. But this time there is a fielder. Good fielder from Roxhaven. It's a single run. Good bowling by Nafis and the new batsman Krishna Gulli. Krishna Gauli. Good defense. No chance to the fielder. Trying for 2 runs. Easily taken 2 runs. Good running by both batsmen. Once again, Krishna Goli on strike. Trying for reverse sweep. Ball is in the air. There is a fielder. Umpire is gone. Krishna Goli is gone. Lowlands lost another wicket. Good catch by Rabbani. Superb catch by Rabbani. 3 overs completed. After completion of 3 overs, score moves to 33 runs. Loss of 2 wickets. Lowlands 3 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 33 పరుగులు 2 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి లయన్స్
डीजे ओवर मतलब ओवर पेटे
And the new batsman from Netherlands.
संदेश
New batsman from Netherlands, Bablu Patil.
देखना मने
Nawaz. Start over by Nawaz. Netherlands dugout. थोड़ा पीछे जाओ. Netherlands dugout दिख रहा. कास्ता इनके लिए पड़ा ना. Netherlands dugout. Netherlands dugout. थोड़ा पीछे जाओ. 3 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 33 పరుగులు 2 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి Netherlands. Fourth over bowling by Nawaz. Trying for reverse sweep and the ball is completely connected to the bat. It's a boundary. Once again reverse sweep and good connected by Yogesh Penkar. Once again boundary. Good batting by Yogesh Penkar.
आज ग्राउंड में है भाई आधे नहीं ना हमेशा ना 4 पे ना डीजे बेटे 4 पे ना
Good batting by Yogesh Penkar. Yogesh Penkar. Fourth over starts with a boundary. Once again Yogesh Penkar faces to Nawaz. Yogesh Penkar on strike. It's a good ball, but the misfield by the keeper. Leg by 4 runs. Leg by 4 runs. Once again, good shot. This time there is a fielder. And 2 runs completed. Good running by both batsmen. It's a 2 runs. Trying for big hit, ball in there. Chance to catch. Once again, drop catch. Drop catch by Anwar. Yogesh Penkar got another life. Let's see what he do. Good bowling by Nawaz. Bunty Patel on strike, the new batsman. Bablu Patel. Bablu Patel, the new batsman from Netherlands. Good shot by Bablu Patel. Ball is in the air.
He started with a maximum. Good shot by Bablu Patel. He starts with a maximum. Once again, ball is in the air. It's a single run and it's over. 4 overs completed. After completion of 4 overs, score moves to 51 runs, loss of 2 wickets, 11 lines. 4 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి fifth over started by Narasimha. Fifth over started by Narasimha from Rocks 11 Eminganur. Now Bablu Patel on strike. Bablu Patel on strike. Narasimha, the new bowler from Rocks 11. Good ball by Narasimha and good stop. It's a single run. Good batting by Bablu Patel. Now Yogesh Penkar on strike. Yogesh Penkar faces to Narasimha. Good shot by Yogesh Penkar, but there is a fielder. Good fielding by the fielder from Rocks 11. Once again single run. Good batting by Yogesh. Once again Bablu Patel faces to Narasimha. Good shot. It's once again misfield by Anwar. Chance to the boundary. It's a boundary. Good shot by Bablu Patel. It's a boundary. Completely misfield to the fielder from Rocks 11. It's a bad edge and it's a boundary. Once again Bablu Patel faces to Narasimha. Trying for reverse scoop, but it's not connected. It's only one run.
Good bowling by Narasimha. Once again, Yogesh Penkar faces to Narasimha. It's a toss ball, but only one run. Once again, good bowling by Narasimha. It's a no ball. It's a no ball, and it's a free hit ball to the batsman Bablu Patil. Free hit ball facing by Bablu Patil. Good shot by Bablu Patil. It's a maximum. It's a huge kick. It's a huge six. Good shot by Bablu Patil. Towards the boundary. Trying for reverse scoop, but it's not connected. The batsman completely beaten to the ball. It's a dot ball, and it's over. 5 overs completed. After completion of 5 overs, score moves to 66 runs, loss of 2 wickets, 11 runs. 5 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 66 పరుగులు, 2 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి 11 runs. 11 runs trophy presented by Amir Sohail in the ceremony of Dr. YMD Yaqub, and the final on Monday, today afternoon 2 o'clock. The grand final today afternoon 2 o'clock. Good batting by both batsmen, Bablu Patil and Yogesh Penkar. Once again, Ravi continue his second over. Yogesh Penkar on strike. Good shot by Yogesh Penkar. Ball is in the air. No chance to the fielder. It's a maximum. Superb shot by Yogesh Penkar. Excellent shot by Yogesh Penkar. It's a maximum. Yogesh Penkar welcome to the bowler with a maximum. Superb batting. Once again, Ravi is going to bowl. Once again, good shot. Ball is in the air. This time also no chance to the fielder. Once again, maximum. Back to back 2 maximum by Yogesh Penkar. Great batting from Yogesh Penkar. Back to back 2 sixes. Good batting by Yogesh Penkar from 11 runs, aiming an over. again, good shot. There is a no fielder. Good gap shot by Yogesh Penkar. Good shot by Yogesh Penkar. It's a boundary. It's a boundary once again. It's a boundary. Good shot by Yogesh Penkar. 3 balls, 3 boundaries. Once again, Ravi is going to bowl. Once again, good strike shot. And it's gone. Good catch by Narasimha. And Yogesh Penkar is gone. Good catch by Narasimha from Rockstar Venemindur. And good bowling by Ravi. 11 runs, lost another wicket in the form of Yogesh Penkar. Yogesh Penkar, individual score 40 runs. Good batting by Yogesh Penkar. And the new batsman from Netherlands, Akash Tarekar. The new batsman from Netherlands, Akash Tarekar. Last 2 balls of this over. Good shot by Bablu Patel. Excellent shot. This is also a maximum. Superb shot by Bablu Patel. Excellent shot. No chance to the fielder. Good batting from Netherlands. Bablu Patel is in good form. He dealing well with boundaries. Most of the peoples are very enjoying this match. Such a big crowd. Once again, good shot by Bablu Patel. Oh, it's a huge 6. It's a huge. It's a long. Great batting by Patil. Superb shot. Back to back 2 maximums by Bablu Patil, and it's over. After completion of 6 overs, score moves to 94 runs. Loss of 3 wickets, 11 runs. 6 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 94 పరుగులు, 3 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి 11 runs. Good batting by Bablu Patil. Superb batting. Good batting from Netherlands. Superb batting. Huge crowd, huge people enjoying this match. Last 2 overs remains in first innings. Once again, Narasimha continues second over, and the new batsman Nitin. And the new batsman from Netherlands, Nitin. Narasimha continues second over. Good bowling by Narasimha. Good shot by Nitin. Straight shot. There is a fielder. Good fielding from Rockstar. It's a single run. Good start by Narasimha. Now Bablu Patil on strike. He already hits 2 boundaries in last over. Bablu Patel on strike. Bablu Patel, he already hit 2 sixes in last two balls. Now Narasimha is going to bowl. Once again good batting by Bablu Patel, trying for 2 runs and complete 2 runs. Good batting by Bablu Patel. Emperor, it's a short run. Okay, it's a short run, only 1 run. Once again Bablu Patel faces to Narasimha. Good shot by Bablu Patel. Cover shot. It's a wait. It's a maximum. Once again maximum by Bablu Patel. Superb shot. It's a maximum. Good batting by Bablu Patel. Once again good shot, but there is a fielder. It's a misfield. Trying for 2 runs and easily taken 2 runs. Good batting by Bablu Patel. Once again Bablu Patel faces to Narasimha. Good shot. There is a fielder. Good shot by the fielder. This time only single run. Good batting by Bablu Patel from level hands. Now Nitin on strike. Nitin faces to Narasimha. The batsman trying for big hit, but the ball completely beaten to the bat. It's a dot ball and it's over. Last over in fast innings. And Bablu Patel on strike. He only dealing with maximums. He is looking very dangerous in this crease. Most of the people చాలా మంది ఈ మ్యాచ్ ని ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్ మ్యాచ్ చూడడానికి వచ్చినందుకు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా మ్యాచెస్ బాగుంటాయి. ఇట్స్ ఎ గుడ్ స్లో బాల్ బై నవాజ్. దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ ఫీల్డర్ trying for 2 runs. There is another chance. Good running by Nitin and Bablu Patel. 2 runs completed. Good running between the wickets by Nitin and Bablu Patel. Once again, Bablu Patel faces to Nawaz. Trying for a big hit, but the ball completely beat into the bat. It's a dot ball. Good bowling by Nawaz. Bablu Patil, individual score 43 runs. Good shot. This time it's a maximum. Superb shot. Ball. Okay. Good shot by Bablu Patil. Once again, excellent shot. Superb shot by Bablu Patel. Empa. It's a maximum or boundary. It's a maximum. Superb shot. Bablu Patel complete his 50 runs. Bablu Patel complete his 50 runs in 17 balls. Great batting by Bablu Patel. Bablu Patel చాలా చక్కగా ఆడుతున్నాడు. That's a superb shot. Last 2 balls remain in first innings. Once again, good shot. ये तो बॉल दिखा है बॉलर को किधर मारा. बहुत बेहतरीन शॉट Bablu Patel. Rocks 11 and Raichur, both team captains come for the toss. Raichur and Rocks 11, both team captains come for the toss. First ball. Trying for reverse sweep. The batsman completely beat into the ball. Good start. Starts with a dot ball. Once again. Trying for a run out. Easily taken single run. Good bowling by Sandesh. Shekhar on strike. Trying for a big hit and good connected. It's a boundary. It's a one bounce boundary. Good shot by Shekhar. Good shot by Shekhar. It's a one bounce boundary. It's a one bounce boundary. Good batting by Shekhar. Try for reverse sweep. It's connected. Ball in the air. No chance to the fielder. It's a boundary. Good shot by Shekhar. Reverse sweep. Back to back two boundaries. Good batting by Shekhar from Raslavin, Eminganur. Good batting by Shekhar. Two balls, two boundaries. I'd say good reverse sweep. Sandesh. Once again, Shekhar faces to Sandesh. Once again trying for a big hit, but the ball is not connected. It's a by single run. Once again good bowling by Sandesh. Good batting by Shekhar. Now Sandesh is going to bowl last ball. Good shot by Ravani. Ball is in the air. There is a no fielder. And good stop by the fielder from level lines. 2 runs. 2 runs and it's over. Good start by Raxlaven. After completion of 1 over, score moves to 12 runs without loss. Raxlaven ఒక ఓవర్ ముగిసే సమయానికి 12 పరుగులు. వికెట్ నష్టపోకుండా second over. The batsman trying for a wicket. The ball is completely beat into the ball. Good bowling by Rajesh. Starts with a dot ball. Once again trying for a big hit. This time also ball beaten and good double by Rajesh. Back to back 2 dot balls. Good bowling by Rajesh. Once again Shekhar faces to Rajesh. Once again it's a dot ball. Once again dot ball. Good bowling by Rajesh. Back to back 3 dot balls in his first over. Good bowling by Rajesh. It's a bad edge and misfield by the fielder. And good stop. It's 2 runs. 2 runs. Good batting by Shekhar. Once again Rajesh is going to bowl. Again the batsman trying only for boundaries, but the ball completely beat into the bat. Good bowling by Rajesh. And last ball of this over and last ball of power play. Once again the batsman beaten. It's a dot ball and it's over. Only 2 runs in this over. Good bowling by Rajesh. 2 overs completed. After completion of 2 overs, score moves to 14 runs without loss. Raxlaven Emingur 2 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 14 పరుగులు. వికెట్ నష్టపోకుండా Raxlaven. This
डीजे बोलने लग रहा है बॉलिंग 11 स्ट्रोक पे प्लान करेगा तो डीजे रखना नींबू नींबू नेक्स्ट ओवर डीजे रखना बोल ओवर के बाद डीजे रखना बोल वेट कर बोलेगा नेक्स्ट बोल दो 11
Rabbani.
సెల్లో చూడు సెల్లో వస్తుంది కదా నీకేంది నా నమ్మకం చూసుగా సెల్లో
Good ball by Sandesh. Starts with a dot ball. Good start by Sandesh. Good shot by Rabbani. Good shot. It's a boundary. Good cap shot by Rabbani. It's a boundary. First boundary by Rabbani. Superb shot. Good batting by Rabbani. Once again, Rabbani on strike. And this is also a good shot. Empire. It's out. Rocks 11 lost a first wicket in the form of Rabbani, and 11 Lions got a wicket in third over. Good bowling by Sandesh. Good bowling by Sandesh, and the new batsman from Rocks 11, Narsimha. The new batsman from Rocks 11, Narsimha. Good bowling by Sandesh. He got a wicket in his second over. New batsman Narsimha, a right hand batsman. Good bowling by Sandesh. Narsimha faces to Sandesh. The batsman trying for a big hit for first ball. It's a misfield. Good stop by the fielder. And 2 runs. 2 runs. Good batting by Narsimha. Starts with a 2 runs. Narsimha start with innings with a 2 runs. Once again, Narsimha faces to Sandesh. Good shot by Narsimha, but there is a fielder. This time also misfield, and 2 runs. Back to back 2 runs by Narsimha. Good batting from Rocks 11. Trying for a big hit. Good shot by Narsimha, but there is a fielder. Good fielding by Nitin. It's a single run and it's over. Good bowling by Sandesh. After completion of 3 overs, score moves to 23 runs, loss of 1 wicket. Rocks 11 Eminganur 3 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 23 పరుగులు, 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి Rocks 11. 11 Lions trophy presented by Amit Sohail in the ceremony of Dr. YMD Yaqub, and the final Monday afternoon 2 p.m. Rajesh continues second over. Narsimha strike. Trying for a big hit. Ball is in the air. And it's a maximum. First maximum from Rocks 11. Good shot by Narasimha. It's a straight shot. This time ball's in the air. Chance to the catch. There is a fielder. Missed catch. Catch drop. It's a only single run. Good bowling by Rajesh, but the misfield by the fielder from Netherlands. Shekhar faces to Sate. The batsman trying for a big hit, but the ball is not connected to the bat. Good bowling by Rajesh. Once again, good ball by Rajesh. There is a fielder. Easily taken. 2 runs. It's over. It's over. 4 overs completed. After completion of 4 overs, score moves to 32 runs. Loss of 1 wicket. రాక్స్ 7 4 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 32 పరుగులు 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి రాక్స్ 7 నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ సెమీఫైనల్ రాయచూర్ అండ్ సీనియర్ రాక్స్ 7 24 balls. And the new bowler from Netherlands, Abhijit Asif. Okay, Asif. The new bowler from Netherlands, Asif, started his first over. Long off the jersey. It's a no ball. Good shot by Narasimha. It's a no ball. Trying for 2 runs and easily taken 2 runs. Good batting by Narasimha. It's a free ball. It's a free ball. Narasimha on strike. Good shot by Narasimha. Ball is in the air. Good catch by the fielder, but this is a free ball. 2 runs. Once again 2 runs. Good batting by Narasimha and good comeback by the bowler. Once again Narasimha faces to Abhi. Good shot by Narasimha. Maybe this is a maximum. Good shot by Narasimha. This is the second maximum by Narasimha. Good batting. No ball. Once again no ball. It's a once again no ball. Once again Narasimha got a free hit ball. Once again Narasimha got a free hit ball. Good shot by Narasimha. There is a no fielder. There is a no fielder. Ever 4 runs. Once again no ball. Once again no ball. The bowler is completely struggling for bowling. Narasimha got a third free hit ball. Narasimha got a third free hit ball.
लास्ट कैप्टन साहब बुला
Last
भाई
superb shot by Narasimha. Excellent. Good using mind of game. Such a great shot by Narasimha. Good click. It's a boundary. Narasimha is playing very well. Back to back 2 boundaries by Narasimha. Once again Narasimha strike. Once again the batsman trying for a big hit. It's a dot ball. Good bowling by Asif. The batsman completely beaten to the ball. Good bowling by Asif. Good shot by Narasimha. Ball is in the air. It's a maximum. Excellent shot by Narasimha. Superb shot. It's over. 5 overs completed. After completion of 5 overs, score moves to 59 runs. 59 runs. Loss of 1 wicket. రాక్స్ 7 5 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 59 పరుగులు 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి రాక్స్ 11 Good shot by Shekhar. This is a maximum and it's a no ball. It's a no ball. It's a no ball and it's free hit. It's a free hit. Good shot by Shekhar. Emphasis final fillers. No argument with emphasis. Shekhar starts with a maximum. Once again, Shekhar on strike. Good shot by Shekhar. It's a free ball. It's a dot ball. Good bowling by Vijay Paule. It's a dot ball. It's a dot ball. Once again, Shekhar faces to Vijay Paule. Again, good bowling by the bowler and good shot by the batsman, Shekhar. It's a single run. Good bowling by Vijay Paule. Now, Narasimha strike. Vijay Paule is going to bowl. Narasimha faces to Vijay Paule. Good shot by Narasimha. And good shot by the fielder from Netherlands. Only single run. Once again, good bowling by Vijay. Once again, Shekhar faces to Vijay Paule and both teams are ready for the toss. The batsman trying for a big hit. The ball is completely beaten to the bat. Good bowling by Vijay. Good bowling by Vijay. Once again, Shekhar faces to Vijay. Once again, good shot by Shekhar. But there is a fielder. Good fielding by the fielder from Netherlands. It's a single run. Good batting by Shekhar. Last ball of this over. Narasimha strike. Last ball of this over. Narasimha strike. Narasimha faces to Vijay Paule. Good batting by Narasimha. Good defense. It's a single run. It's a single run and it's over. Good bowling by Vijay. 6 overs completed. After completion of 6 overs, score moves to 70 runs, loss of 1 wicket. Rocks 11 won the toss and the decision is pending. Next match, the grand semi-final. Good bowling by Abi and good defense by the batsman Narsimha. Only single run. Good bowling by Abi. Once again, Shekhar faces to Abi. And the batsman trying for a big shot. The ball is not connected to the bat. Good bowling by Abi. This match winners enter into the finals. This match winners enter into the finals. ఈ మ్యాచ్ గెలిచిన వాళ్ళు ఫైనల్స్ లో ఎంటర్ అవుతారు. Once again, Shekhar faces to Abi. The batsman trying for a reverse sweep, but the ball is not connected to the bat. Once again, good bowling by Abi. It's a dot ball. Back to back 2 dot balls by Abi. Rocks 11 won the toss. Wait for the decision. Good shot by the batsman Shekhar. There is a fielder. Chance to the catch. Is gone. Shekhar is gone. Good catch by the fielder from 11 Lions. Good bowling by Abi. He got a wicket. Last ball of this over. And the new batsman Nafis. Good batting by Nafis. Starts with the starts with the 2 runs. Good batting by Ravi and it's over. Good bowling by Ravi. Only 3 runs in this over and 1 wicket. After completion of 7 overs, score moves to 73 runs. Loss of 2 wickets. 7 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 73 పరుగులు 2 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి రాక్స్ 11 and the senior Rocks 11 won the toss and elected to bowl first. Senior Rocks 11 won the toss and elected to bowl first. The next semi-final between Raichuru and Emingnur, Rocks 11. And last over of this first innings, the winners will good shot by Nafis. It's a maximum. Netherlands entering into the final match. Once again, good shot by Narasimha. There is a fielder and good stop by the fielder from Netherlands. It's a single run. Last 2 balls. Rax 11 team ana fielding ki ravali. It's a dot ball. It's a dot ball. Last ball of this over and last ball it's out. Okay.